Today, we will learn how to create a data entry form in Google Sheets. As you can see, we have a form where we can easily enter data and save it in our database. Additionally, we have various options like search, submit, reset, and delete. Let's get started. First, merge the cells for the title. New Employee Registration Form. And apply a background color. Increase the font size and use alignment tools to center the text. Then apply borders to 7 cells to label them as headers. Employee ID. Hiring date. Phone number. Department. Email and address. Now, remove the grid lines by going to the View tab and clicking on Grid Lines. Next, highlight the area of the form and apply borders. Apply the background color. Go to the cell next to the hiring date. We want to display a calendar for selecting dates. Go to Data, choose Data Validation, then click Add Rule. In Criteria, select Is Valid Date and choose Reject Input for invalid entries. Click Done. Now you can see a calendar, making it easy to select the hiring date. Now, come to the email field. We also use the data validation for it. As we have used data validation before, the window is already open on the right side. There's no need to go to the Data tab repeatedly. Simply go there and click on Add Rule. In Criteria, select Text is Valid Email and choose Reject Input for invalid emails. Click Done. Now, for the Department field, instead of manually typing department names, we can save time by creating a drop-down list. To do this, again, come to the right side and click on Add Rule. In the Criteria section, choose Drop-Down. Then, type in the department names. Click Done. You can now see a drop-down menu allowing us to easily select any option. After that, we rename this sheet to Form. And also add 4 sheets named according to our departments. Now add headers to each sheet. It's time to create buttons for search, submit, and other functions. To do this, go to Insert, then Drawing. Select Shape, then choose a rectangular shape. Draw the shape and type Search in it. Use the alignment tools to adjust the text. Finally, click on Save and Close, and place the button in front of the first box. In the same way, create other buttons. You can see I added an option for Operator. It's for those who have different operators. Also add it to every department's sheet. Data that we type here and submit will automatically be sent to the relevant department sheets. To achieve this, we will create some functions. Go to Extensions, then click on Apps Script. Here, we'll create functions to activate our new employee registration form. I will take the help of ChatGPT, which will assist in creating the necessary functions. In ChatGPT, we'll explain everything we want in our form and the other sheets. After that, it will generate the required functions for us. After that, we will copy the functions and paste them into the app's script editor. Then, click on the Save button, and all these functions will be saved. Let's activate these buttons. For each button, when you click on it, 3 dots will appear. First, click on the Submit button. Now, choose Assign Script. Here, type the function name that we created for this button. Go to ChatGPT, where we have the function, and the function name is mentioned at the top of the code. Copy the function name and paste it into the Assign Script box, then press OK. When you use the button for the first time, it will ask for permission to run. Click OK. Then choose your account, click on Advanced, and select Go to Untitled Project. After that, click Allow. Now, enter the data and click Submit. You will see a pop-up message saying New Data Entered. Click OK. Next, go to the Finance sheet, and you will see the new entry there. In the same way, copy each function from ChatGPT, paste it into the app's script editor, and save it. After that, go to the Form sheet and assign each function to the corresponding button. Now, type the employee ID for searching and press the Search button. You'll see a message saying ID found. Click OK, and the data will populate in the form. From there, You can easily modify the data.